In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a product to Sellfy. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure your product is properly displayed and ready for sale. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to visit sellfy.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. This will take you directly to your main dashboard, your central hub for managing your products, sales, and customer interactions. Now, from your dashboard, look for the Products section. Clicking on this will give you various options related to product management. What you want to do next is click on Add New Product. This is your starting point for uploading your new item to Sellfy. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of product you're adding. Sellfy offers several options tailored to different needs. You might be selling a digital product, offering a subscription service, listing a physical product, or showcasing print-on-demand merchandise. Choose the category that best fits your product. With your product type selected, it's time to upload your files. Look for the Upload Files button and click on it. You can add multiple files here, with a maximum of 50 files per product allowed. Should you have more than 50 files, you might consider compressing them into a single archive, using formats like .zip or .rr to streamline the upload process. Once your files are uploaded, it's crucial to fill in the product details thoroughly and accurately. Begin with the title. A clear and descriptive title will not only inform your potential customers, but also help your product stand out. Next, move on to the description. Provide as much detail as possible. What is the product, what does it do, and why should someone buy it? Be engaging and informative. Setting the right price is the following step. Decide on an amount that's fair and competitive. Then, assign your product to the correct category to help customers find it with ease. If your product comes in different options, be it sizes, colors, or features, you'll want to add these as variants. This customization can make your product appealing to a wider audience. If applicable, don't forget to specify how much stock you have. This ensures you won't oversell beyond what you can actually provide. Lastly, let's make your product listing more attractive by adding media previews. Visuals play a significant role in the decision-making process of potential customers. You can include links to various multimedia content hosted on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or SoundCloud, which gives a dynamic look to your product page. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your product to Sellfy. Remember, a well-presented product can make all the difference in attracting and retaining customers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.